Healthy baby food recipes. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on healthy baby food recipes. As new parents, you want the best start for your little one. This video will walk you through the process of preparing nutritious and wholesome meals that support your baby's growth and development. Hosted by Elisa, our AI avatar, we'll explore delicious recipes and essential information in an easy-to-follow format. Hello, new parents. I'm Elisa, your guide for this baby food tutorial. Today, we'll dive into creating healthy, tasty meals for your baby, helping you nurture through homemade options that are nutritious and easy to prepare. Ensuring your baby receives the right nutrients is vital. Proper nutrition supports cognitive development, strengthens immunity, and builds a foundation for good eating habits. We'll explore how you can provide this with simple recipes made from fresh ingredients. Let's outline what we will be covering in this tutorial. We'll start with the essential nutrients your baby needs, then move on to first purees and textured meals as they grow. The video will include step-by-step demonstrations of recipes and cooking tips that make meal prep simple and efficient. Babies require a variety of nutrients for healthy growth. These include proteins for building tissues, iron for development, calcium for bones, and vitamins A, C, and D. We'll focus on incorporating these essentials into your baby's meals using accessible ingredients. We begin with the simplest form of baby food, purees. These smooth and easy-to-swallow dishes are perfect for introducing your baby to solids. Using stock footage of fresh, colorful ingredients, we'll go through some easy-to-make puree recipes. Creating the perfect puree requires the right equipment and techniques. Use a good quality blender or food processor, and always check the temperature before serving. We'll share useful tips and techniques using B-roll footage for clearer understanding. Safety and hygiene can't be stressed enough when prepping baby food. Always wash your hands, sterilize utensils, and clean fruits and vegetables thoroughly. Regular meal prep can save time and ensure your baby eats fresh at every meal. Your baby will soon need more textures as they develop chewing skills. We'll cover how to gradually introduce more complex meals. You can enrich your baby's diet as they grow with a variety of textures that are still easy to handle. Let's take a closer look at preparing your baby's first puree. Alyssa will guide you through a simple carrot puree recipe. Steam or boil chopped carrots, blend them until smooth, and then serve at a lukewarm temperature. Personalize it with a touch of breast milk or formula for added consistency if needed. Homemade baby food is not only economical, but also ensures you know exactly what your baby is consuming. It is free from preservatives and packed with essential nutrients, vital for your baby's development. Preparation can be overwhelming, but with these practical tips, you'll find the process much more manageable. Reserve a dedicated time each week for meal prep and involve your partner to make it a shared activity. Safely storing baby food is imperative. Invest in BPA-free containers and store cured food in the refrigerator for up to 48 hours or freeze them for later use. Always label each container with the preparation date. We answer some frequently asked questions from new parents. For instance, when to start solids? Begin around 6 months. What about allergies? Introduce one food at a time over several days to monitor for reactions. Our first recipe involves creating a nutritious carrot puree. Ingredients: fresh carrots, water, and optional breast milk or formula. Instructions: wash and peel the carrots, slice them into small pieces, steam until tender, blend until smooth. Serve this puree on its own or alongside other vegetable purees like peas for variety. Always ensure it's sufficiently cooled before feeding your baby. Next, a slightly sweeter recipe with sweet potatoes. Ingredients: sweet potatoes, water, and an optional dash of cinnamon. Peel and cube the sweet potatoes, steam until soft, blend to a smooth texture, add a pinch of cinnamon for flavor. Serve the sweet potato puree as a solo meal or mixed with applesauce for a delightful twist. It's beneficial to introduce new flavors like a pinch of cinnamon to expand their palate slowly. Both recipes are packed with vital nutrients: vitamin A in carrots, promoting vision health, and sweet potatoes, providing antioxidants and fiber for digestive health. We use vibrant stock footage to keep the content engaging and visually appealing. This helps to maintain a consistent learning experience and ensure vital information is effectively communicated. Feel free to experiment with introducing other vegetables or fruits, once your baby has tolerated the initial options well. Combinations like apple and carrot or banana and avocado provide balanced nutrition and interesting flavors. Pay attention to how long you keep your preparations. Use ice cube trays to freeze portions and transfer them to labeled freezer bags. Properly handled, homemade baby food can be kept frozen for up to 3 months. For busy parents, on-the-go options include storing food in small, portable containers that can be easily transported. Consider carrying pre-portioned meals with you for easy feeding during outings. Avoid offering unstrained or unblended foods initially, as choking hazards difficult textures for young eaters. Introduce new foods patiently and follow your baby's cues. Ingredients: apples, oats, water, milk. Instructions: boil oats until tender, steam apples with peel, blend together for a wholesome meal. Watch Alyssa as she demonstrates this nutritious apple and oatmeal baby food recipe. It combines complex carbohydrates and fiber, essential for a growing baby, with the sweetness babies love. To recap, homemade baby food provides exceptional health benefits. It's cheaper, healthier, and more adjustable to your baby's developing taste preferences compared to store-bought options. We encourage you to try these recipes and modify them to accommodate your baby's preferences. Practice patience as you introduce new foods and flavors to your little one. Hear from other parents who have tried these recipes and note the positive impact on their baby's health and well-being. They celebrate increased energy levels, improved digestions, and established healthy eating habits early on. We welcome you to engage with us. Leave a comment below if you have questions or share your experiences and tips with fellow parents. We love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and trusting us with your baby food journey. I'm excited to see you partake in making nutritious meals for your loved one. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and recipes. Check the description for resource links providing further reading on baby nutrition and safe cooking practices. As we close, enjoy a transition of calming music and soft visual effects, underscoring the nurturing theme we've emphasized throughout this video. Special thanks to our contributors and voice talent who make these videos possible. We appreciate your support and dedication. A heartfelt thank you for entrusting us to guide you. We look forward to accompanying you on this incredible journey of parenthood. Stay tuned for more related videos that can support and enrich your parenting journey as further steps and tutorials are at your fingertips.